It's not a coincidence that you got to this video, because here you go. You have an actual malware analysis book which shows you practically A to Z malware dissection in the bit and bytes level. In this book I show you my methodology, my way of approaching and breaking down every type of malware, whether it's ransomware, infostealer, keylogger, or whatever. In this book you will experience what actual malware analysis look like from my own eyes. I also encourage you to download those malware samples and reverse engineer them and analyze them with me step by step in the book. We will not only see malware on Windows, but in this book you will also see Android malware and MAoS malware. We will break down real-world threats like a digital surgeon. We spot persistent tricks, obfuscation layers, and C2 indicators. We will apply proven methodologies. I call them BEM and REM, baseline enumeration methodology and reverse engineering methodology, which will bring structure to chaos. Because let's be honest, malware analysis and reverse engineering in general sometimes can be very chaotic, and you want to put some structure. So a real researcher will go with his heart, with his intuition, and also apply some mindful methodologies which are proven and practical. Whether you're a malware analyst, SOC analyst, incident responder, a blue teamer, and even a red teamer, and you want to understand how malware actually developed, and to take those tradecrafts and apply them in your own malware for red teaming, purple teaming, blue teaming purposes, this book is for you. You can order the paperback, the hardcover version, or the Kindle. Whatever you choose is the best. If you want, you can do read sample here and basically go and be shown with the table of contents and many other stuff. So it's really straightforward, as you see, but I believe you will enjoy, because it's not only malware analysis, because it's actually malware analysis on steroids. Good luck and enjoy.